Hey everybody, John Locke here, and today I've got this Yardeni Dimple lock, and it's a 6-pin Dimple lock. It's made in Israel, and this lock I got from Lockmaker Tattooer, and it's been sitting on my desk for like 4 months, and I give this a shot maybe twice a week for the last 4 months and have never gotten an open on it. It's quite difficult for me, and I'm not quite sure why, but I finally got an open today and got it off camera, so I decided let's try to get on the camera and do it. And for this I'm gonna have to stop talking while I try to pick, because it's gonna take a lot of focus for me to be able to get it again. Gotta click on one set. Three set. Six is set. Two is loose. Four is loose. A set on 4. There's 5 and a little bit of a false set now. And there we go, 2, and we got an open. Wow, that feels great to finally get an open on this this lock. I'm gonna go ahead, you can see it's all the way picked. I'm gonna go ahead and close it back up. And I can't wait to go inside this lock and see what we've got going on. I'm guessing a spool on 2. I'm curious to see if there's anything on the key pins that might be hanging me up. Just not sure. So let's go ahead and try to get this open. Okay, nothing on the key pins, all look pretty standard. Let's take a look inside here, see what we got. All right, guys, well, let's take a little look at these pins. I'll try to get a little closer for you. Nothing all that special, to be honest. I just have 2 spools on 1 and 2. The first one, I didn't detect the spool. The second one, I got caught in a little false set at the end there, and felt that one. And the rest are all normals. Yeah, perhaps it's just the keyway or the bitting on this one made this one tricky for me to get. I'm happy to get it off my list. You know, it's one of those ones that's kind of frustrating when you take a look inside and you don't see anything all that tricky and complicated about it. Just sometimes locks are like that. They take a while to figure out and get open. But it feels great to get one open that I've been working on for so long. So, woohoo, off the list. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you like these videos, please just leave a little comment or a thumbs up. And I really enjoy interacting with people. So it's great. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to think about it if you'd like to support my channel that way. Trying to grow it a little bit. Yeah, the last thing to say is to have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.